Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Nick Wayne. Welcome to another BTO Sports Warehouse review. You know we're in the warehouse, you know how we do it. There's no scripts, no special lighting, there's sounds, it's the warehouse. But we have something special for you today. It is the brand new Fly Racing formula helmet. It was developed by doctors, physicists, you know, people that just know more than we do. So it's a fantastic helmet. Let's get into it. So you can see Fly Racing here hooks up with a really cool helmet bag. It's a high quality bag, so premium helmet, you should get a high quality bag. So it's more than just a bag, it's a carrying case. Put a nice bowling ball in there. So you get an extra visor. So that's cool. Now this is a lightweight helmet here. So I'm gonna start with the helmet visor here. The visor is kind of cool. It's really flexible, really pliable here. So that'll help in the event of a crash, it'll stay pliable. So you want that to be like so. And then one other additional feature I wanted to point out is on the chin bar here, it has EPP liner in it as well. So it helps absorb, you know, some impact if you were to, you know, hit the ground on a header. So that's good. Now onto the liner. Oh, I'll start with the D-rings here because this is fancy. You don't want to see this. Titanium D-rings. So it makes the helmet even lighter. I don't think I've mentioned this yet. This helmet, well, this is a large, but the medium helmet we weighed in at just over 2.8 pounds. I use lightweight a lot when talking about helmets, but 2.8 pounds is extremely rare for a motocross helmet. So not only it's just rare, but it's fantastic. So you want a lightweight helmet, Fly formula is where you should start looking. So one thing that makes this helmet so lightweight is Fly used 12K carbon fiber. I didn't know that till now, but there's different levels of carbon fiber, and the 12K is not only lighter than most carbon fibers used in other helmets, but it's also stronger. This helmet, you have the adaptive impact system that Fly has. It works with the 12K carbon fiber. It's the RHEON energy cells, it's the EPP foam that helps absorb both low, mid, and high speed impacts. Now, this is what Fly sent to me. So thank you Fly Racing and Phil at Western. This bad boy here, this is the same helmet split right down the middle so you can see the nitty gritty here. This should give you a closer look specifically at the RHEON technology. Now, this is invented by Dr. Plant. RHEON are energy cells that are maximized to absorb low speed impacts. The unique shape allows them to compress and shear energy at low speed impacts, which so many helmets ignore that part. Now they behave differently at different impacts. Now there's 7 of them that are strategically placed around the helmet, and this maze shape is by design. So I said, you know, like linear impacts, it'll absorb things at different speeds. Also, this maze design helps absorb rotational impacts as well, rotational forces I should say. So that's Fly and their innovation in finding the best protection possible for a premium helmet. It wouldn't be a helmet interview if I didn't try it on. So this is my size large. All right, notice I wasn't talking because if you watch some Supercross interviews, talking with the helmet on is not good. But that is how a helmet should fit. And it's extremely comfortable, and you can tell it's lightweight. So if you're looking for lightweight helmets, the Fly formula helmet is where you need to start. It's fantastic.